Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So when your system start and coming like this, okay, and you are try to continue Windows 11 but coming same after few second, okay. So how to resolve? So I have some command. After this screen, click on the troubleshoot, and you can it will coming the advanced options. Then you will come on the same screen. Then click advanced, sorry, troubleshoot. Then advanced option. Then click to command prompt, okay, and in the command prompt type boot rec space slash fix mbr and then hit enter. This is first. Then second, boot rac space slash fix boot and then hit enter. Okay, I enter the spelling mistake. Okay, so if it is coming like screen access denied, so then type this command nt60 okay, and then if access denied come, then type, okay. If not, so this command is not required. Then next command, only four command, okay. Then again space slash rebuild cd and then hit enter. After that, click exit, okay, and then click to continue. Then 100% your system will be restart, and after that it will normal. Okay, thank you.